Okay, let's go to the number 127. It's formed of 3 digits. So, of course, this number is way much greater than 90. So, this means the angle will be wide open angle. It will be bigger than the right angle. So, it will be open angle. So, this angle will be obtuse angle. This is the angle. And its name will be obtuse angle. Okay, let's go to number 12. Philip watched a beach volleyball game from 1:45 p.m. So this is the first clock here, shows 15 minutes to 2 or 1:45 until 2 o'clock, just 2 o'clock. So this is the 2 o'clock. So this means that he spent all this time from this time to just 2 o'clock. How many degrees did the minute hand turn? So it turned this way. So is it clockwise or anti-clockwise? It's a clockwise. So can you see the highlighted area? It forms a right angle, right? So this is a right angle. If you can't guess the degree of the right angle, we said it before, it's 90 degrees. So it is standardized degree. So if you see a right angle, of course you know its degree is 90 degrees. If you can't guess, so see what is the shape or what is the fraction of this part. It is fourth. So this means it is 1/4. It's quarter, fourth of the circle. As you divide the circle into 4 equal pieces and you highlighted the fourth, 1/4. Then I need to convert the denominator into 360, the overall degrees of the circle. So in this case, I want the denominator to be 360. So multiply it by 90, because you know that 9 times 4 is 36. And if you multiply by 0, you will put the 0. So it will be 360. And of course, if you multiply the denominator by 90, you should multiply it up also by 90. 1 times 90 will be 90. And 90 times 4, we put the 0 first, then multiply the whole digits. 9 times 4 will be 36, right? Okay, so now we compared the highlighted degrees by the overall degrees of the circle, which is 360. So the lower number is 360. So in this case, what is the degree of this part? It is the upper number, which is 90 degrees. Hope that you understood this part. Let's go to the second one. What angle, he wants the name of the angle, does this piece of pie form? So this piece of pie is half of the circle. And what is this angle that I draw? This line is look like a straight line, right? So it forms the shape of a straight angle. So this is called a straight angle when the shape is like straight line. So it is a straight angle of, or that the shape of the angle is like you cut the circle into 2 equal parts, so a half of the circle. So this also called a straight angle. What is M of angle? This shape is angle. CBT. Use a protractor to help you. So what is the M measure of this angle? Okay, so you need a protractor to measure this angle. So how we measure this angle? We have first to adjust the protractor to put the center of the protractor on the angle and to adjust the 0 degree on the line down. Okay, so the 0 degree should be on C and the center of the protractor should be on B. Then now read the inner line, because the 0 is in the inner line here of the protractor. So the inner line, and see where the line will PT will be on the protractor. It will be on degree 62 degrees. So I will give you the final answer. So in this case it will be 62 degrees. Okay, the final one. Matt cut a circle into 8 equal sections. Now he colored, his angle is 3 parts out of 8. So first, what is the angle of 1/8 here? You know the angle of 1/4. So 1/4 is 1/4. The 1/4, the quarter of the circle is 90 degrees, right? And 90 degree here is divided into 2 parts. So divide by 2. So this means each part is 45 degrees, because the half of 90 is 45. So this means each of these parts is 45. So each 1/8 is 45. So this is 45, and 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 this is 45. So in this case, if my angle is 3 parts, so this means I have 3 parts. So this means each 1/8 is 45 degrees. So this means if I have 3/8, this means I multiply 45 by 3. So if you multiply it, will give you 135 degrees. How I do it? Okay, look to my draft work here. It will be 45 times 3. So first multiply from the right side. 3 times 5 will be 15. Both 5 and 1 up. Then 3 times 4 will be 12, plus 1 up will be 100. Will be 13. So this all will be 135. Thank you, grade 4, for watching. Hope that you understood this test, and see you tomorrow with another test. Goodbye.